Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM YouTube channel. Now, this video is entitled, If I Had 3 Wives, Which One Would I Choose? Now, the thing is, I wouldn't have 3 wives and I don't recommend it. But what we're talking about here is not so much the triplets, because this, as we talk about with the trading, the 10K way, etc., this does not equal the triplets. This equals 3 markets which are exactly the same. Which one would you choose? Let's break it down some more. This one, once again, it only trades itself, the DAX. This one is looking for opportunities based on what the FTSE is doing and what the DAX is doing. This one is based on looking for opportunities in what the FTSE, the DAX, and the Dow are doing. Now, I always talk about it's like the 3 beers. This one is very fast. It's volatile. This one is a little bit slower. Yep. This one is very slow. If we traded all 3 of these together, we saw it in an example, another video called Do Not Do This When Trading, that they all placed exactly the same trades and they all lost because they all placed exactly the same trades. Now, it's not saying that the trades will always lose, because sometimes they win, sometimes they lose, but we expect to win more than we lose. Okay? The point here is that this is like having 3 wives. Okay, they're going to fight each other. Forgive me for saying that, but this is what's happening here. These all did the same thing, so if they're going to give you a hard time, these all gave us a hard time. So which one would we choose? We'd choose one. Which one would we choose out of these? Whether we say the DAX is just going to trade unto itself, there's no other indicator but itself. So if it's going up, it says it's going up. But how do we know it's going up? We know the DAX is going up if the DAX and the DAX and the FTSE are going up. We know even more so if it's going up if the DAX, the FTSE and the Dow are going up. We know that. But the thing is, the discrepancy here with the Dow is, at this time of day, the Dow is not officially open. This time of the day happens to be 10:44 on a Wednesday morning. In the United Kingdom, the Dow does not open until 2:30 p.m. in the United Kingdom. So really, this is not actually, we can't see the Dow here at the moment, but the Dow, let's call it up for you. Here we are. This is the Dow. The Dow is trading and it's looking, as they do, more or less like what the DAX is doing, but it's not officially open. So people are trading it, but is it really being traded to the degree we'd expect it to be traded? So what could we say? How could we really choose? If we needed to choose one wife, say, look, you've got 3 wives or 3 husbands or 3 partners, which one will you choose if you only had to choose one? Do we choose this one? Something like a runaway train, really. Good for the person who likes to live the wild life. This one here is racy and fast. It's always trading, trades a lot. This one here is middle of the road. Yep, middle of the road. This one here is a bit more sluggish, slow. So based on this principle, this idea that we have and we're thinking about, let me know what you think. If the FTSE and the DAX are both officially open, why don't we just trade this one based on what the FTSE and the DAX are doing? It's an idea. This is all about ideas. Okay, so we're educating you to think for yourself. You now know that this one here, if it's going up, it's going up. That's it. If it's going down, it's going down. So it'll trade based on going up, pull back, continuing, coming down, pullback, continuing. It's a continuation trade. This is a continuation trade based on saying, well, okay, remember the DAX, we're going up. The DAX is going up, right? The DAX 30 means there's 30 of us, 30 stocks or shares within that, 30 companies within that DAX. Yes, we're all going up and we're all going down. But let's see over here for you. The FTSE. The FTSE is also in the party, so to speak. So look, the FTSE is now going down. This is going sideways. So once we see the FTSE and the DAX going in the same direction, that gives us a good indicator of what's really happening in the markets based on the European markets. This Dow is a US market. Okay, so let's call the Dow up again for you. There. So now we have the FTSE, DAX, Dow, all doing something slightly different. We can tell it's doing something different because I know it feels like we're jumping around a bit, but watch this. It says the FTSE is going up. The DAX doesn't know what it's doing. It's going sideways. See, it's going sideways. And the Dow is going up. Okay, so if we were to trade the FTSE and the DAX, it says here, FTSE up, DAX unknown, the signal is unknown. It would be better to choose just one wife, one husband, one partner, one market. Thank you.